20 travel phrases every beginner should know. 1. Do you have any recommendations for ordering at a restaurant? 2. How much is this, for asking about prices? 3. I'd like this, for pointing to something you want. 4. Can I try this on, for trying on clothes? 5. Do you speak English, for asking about language? 6. I have a reservation, for confirming a booking. 7. Water, please, for requesting more water. 8. Do you take credit cards, for asking about payment methods? 9. This isn't what I ordered, for addressing a mistake with an order. 10. Could we have the menu, please, for requesting a menu? 11. Could you give me a discount, for asking for a lower price? 12. Do you have any vegetarian dishes, for special diets? 13. Could you take a picture of me, please, for asking for a photo? 14. I'm allergic to, for explaining allergies. 15. Is the Wi-Fi free, for asking about internet access? 16. I'd like to have a non-smoking seat, please, for seating preferences. 17. Could I get a map, for requesting a map? 18. Could I have the check, for asking for the bill? 19. Where is the bathroom, for finding restroom facilities? 20. Is this the train for confirming train directions? Can you think of other useful travel phrases? Share them in the comments.